Hello guys, this is Epic Smiley Face, but you don't know me yet. You probably know who I am from the Bob Bobby's Man channel, but this is my own channel where I'm gonna be playing by myself, but I'm still gonna be posting videos on the Bob Bobby's Man channel. But right now this channel is for my own stuff, for my zombies gameplay, and for my survival gameplays. The stuff I do by myself and not with my cousin on our channel. And I'm going to New York City, so we're gonna post vlogs and stuff. I'm gonna post it on my channel, and I'm gonna post it on the Bob Bobby's Man channel. So yeah, please visit my channel and visit Bob Bobby's Man channel because it will help me and him tremendously. And I hope you guys enjoy the stuff I'm about to show you guys. So I'm gonna be posting some zombie videos, and I'm gonna be doing challenges, and you guys post the challenges you want me to do on zombies or survival, and you can tell me if you want me to switch maps. I'll switch maps. I will play with other people, and at the same time I'll play by myself, some solo. So hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and hope you guys will enjoy and subscribe to my channel and Bob Bobby's Man channel. Please leave a comment below on my videos saying what challenges you want me to do. Please subscribe to both the channels, and peace out.